I need to look it up online on Google and see if this is like literally the worst wind we've ever had from the Santa Anas ever. Because it sure as shit feels like it, and I've been around for 47 years, so. Oh my god, yeah, I'm getting hit. Whoa. I'm getting slammed around in the wind right now, really bad. Hello. Some lunch ladies on a break there. They work over at the food processing place, the nutrition center over here at Cajon High School. This nutrition center feeds like all the local unified district schools around here and Cajon. God, dude, I am getting this wind. I don't know, man. I was just like, it just like came out of nowhere. Holy crap! There's no like warning. Like usually we get a little breeze first or something. Damn it! Fuck, it's kicked. Ah, man, I'm having a fucking anxiety attack because of the wind. Ah, damn it! Stop. Relax, Larry. Jesus. Fuck, I hate that shit.